Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about a pre-sale token which will be going live very soon. And the one I am talking about is Robofi. Now if you guys are looking for a token which is a pump and dump, so quickly make some money, walk out, then this video is not for you. But if you're looking for a token which is a long-term investment and your money will be secure, then this is the one for you. This token actually has a very interesting idea, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with the crypto market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Right there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of Robofi. They decide to buy the token, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. One thing I do want to say is I'm not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research before putting your money into anything. It is your hard-earned money. Now as you guys can see, the site just looks incredible. Marketplace of DIO crypto trading bots. Robofi is a secure and transparent DeFi platform that offers DIO, which is decentralized autonomous organization crypto trading bots. Simply choose the crypto trading bots that you like and govern, stake and earn rewards. And you guys can see they have actually been mentioned on pretty big platforms such as Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Market Watch. These are the four which I personally read myself, and they do have a whole article about this token. Bridge between the trading technology and individuals. Robofi can efficiently put bots, creators, and individuals in touch with each other for earning opportunities while protecting your data and privacy. Thanks to blockchain technology, a higher set of standards in transparency, efficiency, and security have been introduced. Now is the best time to transform your financial industry with Robofi. If you do want to select a bot, it is coming very soon. You can actually write your name down and they will keep you up to date with everything through email. Now talking about the ecosystem, you guys can see professional portfolio management to everyone. Robofi store, get access to our collectibles of decentralized and autonomous bots. Robofi Earn, create another income source through Robofi Earn. Deposit your digital asset and receive a stable interest no matter how volatile the market is. Then Robofi lending, even when you don't have required asset, you can join your favorite DAO bots community through the decentralized lending platform. The exchange, there is also a game coming out where the winner will be making some money or making some Robofi token. Decentralized autonomous bots, participate in stacking or becoming a governor shareholder of decentralized and autonomous crypto trading bots through IBO, which is initial bot offering. So pretty much this token is going to connect individuals with a bot, and the bot will help the people actually earn money. And if you actually want to be part of the team, they are looking for new people. You just need to click on start building bots, and then you can just fill out your resume. They will get contact with you if you do want to be part of the team. Revolution crypto trading bots at your fingertips, secure and transparent. Zero experience required. Also, there will be multiple different trading strategies used and 24/7 emotionless trading. So most likely you will not be losing, and also the bot will be doing everything for you. Now talking about VIX token, now this token is the one that is fueling the Robofi ecosystem. And Robofi is built upon smart contracts. VIX token is a BEP20 token built on smart chain. Get VIX token today to use stacking, earn rewards, make a payment to buy crypto trading bots on the marketplace, and participate in the initial bot offering, and purchase the governance share and get more initiative from the decentralized and autonomous crypto trading bots. So you guys can see their simple plan is to have bots that will actually help individuals that do not know anything about trading earn profits. I just love that idea. It's very unique. Now talking about their roadmap, they have some big things to come. So Q1, Q2 have already been done because they have released their late paper in public. The website has been released, listing on DEX has been done, public pre-sale, and that will be happening very soon. Start a fair launch, community building, and onboard bots creators. listing for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, also build developers community, launch liquidity mining pool. Also they have some other things coming out very soon. In Q4, DA bots, there will be also Robofi wallet that will be able to convert from Ethereum network to the Binance network, and also Treasury. They just have a very long-term plan, which I personally do like, because they do not want to just be a pump and dump and walk away. Rather, they want to actually create value and build a strong community. Now, looking at their light paper, you guys can see it is close to 15 pages long, and you will be able to find every small detail you want about Robofi game, Robofi earn. Every single small detail, every single answer you need will be found on here. They also told us what is their mission, how they see it happening. At the same time, they want to give out some value, the business landscape. The whole team has been listed on the light paper as well. And what's interesting is it also says their background, where they started, what they're doing at the moment, and what part of the role they will be playing in the token. Also, because the VIX token was mentioned on the site, they also have the token distribution for VIX actually put here, which is 600 million is the total supply, 46% is in the community, 27% private token sale, 20% to the company, and 7% to the partners. And then their whole roadmap is on the bottom. Now, talking about Robofi's pre-sale that will be happening very soon, it is going on at the moment as we speak, but that is going to be private, and it will be public, and more will be coming in. Robofi VIX token pre-sale, maximize the earning and also connecting bot creators and users, world's first DO crypto trading bots marketplace, fully automated 24/7 CEX DEX trading using decentralized trading bots, innovating DeFi platform, no risk stacking opportunities, become an owner of DAO crypto trading bot. If we scroll down a little bit, you guys can see it also talks about VIX token. They have a very good and number of token sales that have been done. There's been 2 private ones, and there is 2 that are happening at the moment. Looking at their tokenomics, you guys can see 10% is for company, 10% is for the team, 27% for the private sales, 7% for the partners, and 46% for the fair launch. Now, if you guys remember, I mentioned that there is so many big names that have actually talked about this token. Robofi selects DX to host the IDO of VIX token, and this was actually posted on EN News, and there's also one on Yahoo, there's one on Bloomberg. There is so many articles that have come out towards this token. I just personally like the fact that there are so many big names actually posting about it. It's pretty cool to see. At the same time, they do have a Twitter page which has close to 1,000 followers. They have only started. Keep in mind, they're still in the pre-sale season. They are not even officially being released, and this is a good time to walk in because we do not know what the price will go up to, and you want to be in early. Also, I like the fact that they are fairly active on their Twitter page. They are always posting to make sure that everyone is up to date with everything. Moving on, the second thing I want to show you guys is their Telegram. The Telegram has close to 1,400 members, and I recommend, if you're going to be buying this token, joining the Telegram is a must. And for the people who do not know how the pre-sale is going to work, the pre-sale will be happening on DXL. If you do want to know, participate in it, it's very simple. Just go onto their site, click on pre-sale, and it will take you straight there. I know at the moment it says starts in so many days, but keep in mind, once you connect your wallet, after that it will give you the perfect time when you will be able to walk in. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. What do I think about this token? I think the token has a good long-term plan rather than just short dump, pump and dump. And I personally don't like the pump and dump because sometimes you can end up losing a lot of money. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.